Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Bytes Code Alive, your ultimate destination for all things programming and beyond. I'm your host, Moketsi, and today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of coding and development. If you're a fellow code wizard or looking to up your programming game, you're in the right place. Let's talk about the building blocks of the digital world, programming languages from Java to JavaScript, TypeScript to CSS, HTML to Vue.js, React to Rust and Python. We've got you covered. Whether you're a newbie eager to learn the ropes or a seasoned pro exploring new horizons, our channel is all about honing your programming skills and mastering the art of coding. Join me on this epic journey as we decode the mysteries of Java and delve into the endless possibilities of JavaScript. Learn how to weave magic with CSS and create stunning web designs with HTML. Explore the dynamic world of Vue.js and React, and unlock the potential of Rust and Python. With our step-by-step tutorials, in-depth explanations, and hands-on projects, you'll be coding like a pro in no time. But wait, there's more. Our community is not just about coding. It's about camaraderie and growth. Connect with like-minded individuals, share your coding journey, and be inspired by the success stories of fellow developers. Whether you're here to learn, teach, or collaborate, Bytes Code Alive is your digital playground to thrive and shine. So what are you waiting for? Hit that follow and like button and join the Bytes Code Alive community today. Let's elevate our coding skills, one byte at a time. Remember, the code is alive, let's make it dance. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding! Stay tuned for more thrilling episodes and exciting coding adventures only on Bytes Code Alive.